Hi guys, Lee Whitwell here with Team Head and Team Hydrant. Just bringing you one quick tip on the serve. We all have had the yips. We've heard of people having the yips where the ball doesn't go cross court, it goes in the net, it goes long, it goes to the side. And here's just a real quick fix to help you through it and solve the problem if you ever get the yips. When you're serving, your thumb is in front of the handle of the paddle, right? So a lot of times what happens when we serve is we try to hit the ball and we look and see where our ball is going without actually watching the contact point on our paddle. Okay, this time all we're going to focus on is pushing the thumb to where we want the ball to go. So our focus now is on our side of the court and something we can control. So it's going to look like something like this. See the ball hit the paddle and push the thumb to where I want the ball to go. And the more I focus on what I'm doing versus the result, we'll end up with a better result because our ball will go in. We can only control our side of the court, and the more we focus on that, the better it is. Thanks again, that's a wrap, and happy serving.